Hey, welcome to my vlog. And this is Project Ford. And I'm sitting in the dark because I just got home. And this was the first day I drove the Escape after I changed the coil in it. So of course I disconnected the battery when I did it, and that cancels out your radio and your clock. So here's the video on adjusting your clock. As you can see right now, it's 12:29. So what you do is make sure your power is on. You push your clock button, and then you reach over and you play with your tuner number. Let's see, this one, the tuner takes care of your minutes, and the seek takes care of your hours. So right now I need 5 hours, and I believe it's 5:30. But it's that quick. Just push your button here, push your clock button, and then use your seek button, and that'll change your hours. Press your tuner button, and that'll change your minutes. Go the other direction, it'll take it down. Same with your tuner minutes. So there you go. There's a quick 1 minute video on how to change the clock settings on your Ford Escape. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and click on the DC on the bottom of the video here to subscribe. And we'll catch you on more Project Fords.